Students, we are studying the chapter number 18, that is democracy and equality. I have told you the meaning of democracy as well as the meaning of equality, and we were on page number 153. In the previous video we have studied that what government has done to increase the enrollment of students in the schools, in elementary schools. We have studied about midday meal scheme. So today we will take up the next paragraph. After independence, there was an urgent need for the government to do something special and concrete to liberate the weaker sections from oppressions and backwardness. We all know that one section was there in our society that was backward and being oppressed by the other sections of the society. So when our country got independence, it was a need for our country to liberate those people also, to make them equal with the other section of society. The forced isolation of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes imposed by the caste system had to end. The forced isolation, they were kept away from the mainstream. The meaning of forced isolation means they were forcefully kept away from the mainstream. And who were kept away? They were scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. And this system came in practice because of the caste system that has been there in our country. Thus, reservation was provided for them to ensure their proportionate share in all walks of life so that they could live a life of respect and dignity. So, for them, certain seats were reserved, whether in the educational institutions, whether in the political spheres. Seats were reserved means from those seats only scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people, they will only those people are going to fight from those seats. General category, other categories, they are not able to enter in those seats, so that their dignity, their self-respect can be sustained. Later on, along with the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward classes were also provided the benefits of reservation. In the previous line we have studied about only scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Now one more word has been added over here, that is other backward classes. It is known as OBC. Afterwards, apart from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, OBCs, other backward classes, were also provided the benefit of reservation. The reservation was to exist for a limited period, but as its provisions have still not reached a major portion of population, it is still continuing. When reservation came into practice, it was being said that it is for some time. It is not a permanent measure, it is for some time, but still our country is lagging behind to provide equal opportunities to everyone. That's why reservation is still continuing. In the beginning, caste system, you have studied Varna system, was only a classification of vocation. Occupation means only occupation was classified based on duty, but later it came to be based upon birth in a particular caste. Then the caste got divided into subcaste, which forced thousands of people to live a life of misery. Earlier our system was not that much bad. It was divided on the basis of work people were doing. But afterwards, what they have taken, that if you are having birth in a certain caste, that means you are supposed to follow all the rules and regulations that have been imposed to those caste. So afterwards, caste were also divided into subcaste, and that's why this system got so much critical and so much oppressive. Let us look at the case of Rahul, who qualified for IIT because of Mr. Anand Kumar, who helps poor children with his Super 30 in Bihar. You must have seen that movie of Hrithik Roshan also, Super 30. That Anand Kumar here we are talking about. So let us study about him. He is an IITian because of Anand Kumar. News report. It is a news report. NDTV published a letter from Rahul to his Sir Anand Kumar, here is an excerpt from the sum. Little part of that letter is there. Dear Anand sir, thank you. My life will be different because of you. My father is a poor farmer in Jharkhand's Hazaribagh area. My father goes to Kolkata to work as a laborer. You provided coaching, lodging, and food for a year to prepare me for IIT. It will build a hospital. I will build a hospital and school in my village. I am lucky to have you, sir. I owe everything to you. So see how beautifully this letter is being written. That student Rahul, he has described his conditions, that what kind of conditions were there. If Mr. Anand Kumar has not provided him coaching, lodging, and food for a year, that was all for free. They had nothing to give to them. So now we feel happy when we hear about cases like this. It is the duty and moral responsibility of each and every citizen to ensure that all sheikhos and paros, we have studied about sheikhos and paros, are able to fulfill their dream of going to school to make a better life for themselves. It's not about law only, it's not about policies only, it's about everyone, that what we should do. We as the citizen of the country, we should help each other, and we should help each other in fulfilling our dreams. Our government has adopted various measures like loans, self employment schemes, low budget housing on installments, free legal advice, widow pension, etc., to provide education, employment, and housing to all. This is very important, that what our government has done. Our government has take up the measures like हेल्प, इट इज़ हेल्प, लोन्स मिल सकते हैं, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम्स हैं जिसमें आपको क्या होगा, थोड़ा बहुत फ़ायदा हो जाएगा, आपको स्टार्टअप करने के लिए पैसे दिए जाएंगे, लो बजट पे आपको घर मिल जाएंगे इंस्टॉलमेंट पे, लीगल एडवाइस आपको फ्री मिलेगी, अगर कोई विडो है उनको पेंशन मिलेगी, एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स आर देयर. And literacy programs means to for the betterment of education, Operation Blackboard, universal elementary education, and adult education have gained popularity. So these are the things that government has done for us. Along with midday meals, the schools are providing free uniforms and books, stipends, scholarship, medical checkups, etc. In government school everything is for free. Not only they are giving midday meal schemes, but uniform, book, scholarship, etc. are being given. Girl students and children from weaker section have a reserved quota, not only in government school but in private schools also. They have a reserved quota. Means admission उनको मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. Special steps have been taken for tribal and rural children to include them in developmental programs. And for them also measures have been taken ताकि वो भी क्या हो, मेन स्ट्रीम में आ सकें. We must make sure that Indian democracy goes in the right direction and provides equality to all. So we the people will make sure that our democracy is going in the right direction, and it is providing equality to everyone, where all citizens are aware, enlightened, and education. Where we all are aware, we all are enlightened means we all have knowledge, and we all are educated. Let us all make India a successful democracy. Means we must play our role very nicely to make India a successful democracy. So this is the chapter democracy and equality. So what are the various things that must be clear to you from the chapter? Firstly, what is the meaning of democracy, then what is equality, then what were the conditions कि कुछ लोगों को equality नहीं मिली, वो कौन थे, शेड्यूल का शेड्यूल ट्राइब. सो व्हाट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डन फॉर देम ऑल्सो. रिजर्वेशन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि रिजर्वेशन उनको मिली. जैसे कि 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट, 100 सीट्स हैं, तो 30 सीट्स हमने क्या कर दी, रिज़र्व कर दी. तो जो शेड्यूल का शेड्यूल ट्राइब हैं वो इजीली उन 30 सीट्स पे फाइट करके क्या कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे अपनी जगह बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनमें तो कंपटीशन ज़्यादा होगा नहीं. एंड remaining 70 seats, all the sections of society can have a competition for those seats. That is a reservation. So students, these keywords you are going to study, you will study these keywords, and here we have question answers. So first MCQ is, the right to vote is guaranteed to Indians who are Citizens of India. The answer is Citizens of India. The most successful scheme of government which increased enrollment of children in school is midday meal scheme. The answer is midday meal scheme. Which one of the following is not responsible for weakening the Indian society? That is the education. The answer is education. According to preamble, who is constituting India into socialist, secular and democratic republic? The answer is the constitution itself. To ensure that all the children from the deprived sections are able to fulfill their dreams, provide free education. Then, fill in the blanks. The constitution. Answer is the constitution. Then, the answer is the preamble. The spelling is wrong here. Preamble. The caste system. 3 is the caste system. 4 is participatory. Political party. 4 is political party. 5 is laws, many laws. Then we have true false. On 15th August 1947 India became a republic. False. India became independent, not republic. Republic जब constitution बन गया था. Our constitution framers wanted to eradicate discrimination. True. People elect their representative for a fixed term. True. The law does not give equal protection to all. False. The provisions of reservation have not reached everyone. False. So students, this is all for today, and our question answers will be uploaded in your DAV website. Thank you students, have a nice day.